Mistake number 1. Raw oats. Toast them first. Toasting dries them out and brings out that nutty smell. Raw oats taste like porridge. Toasted ones taste like cookie dough. The walnuts can't go in raw either. Here's why. A few minutes in a dry pan drives the moisture out, so they stay crunchy inside the candy instead of going soft and bland. There's no sugar at all. So what holds it together? Dates are basically natural caramel. Blitz them and they turn into a sticky paste that glues all the dry stuff into a dough. It's falling apart, and that's completely normal. Watch. It needs pressure, not stirring. Squeeze it with your hands and the warmth of your palms pulls it into one smooth ball. At home, chocolate coating almost always streaks. Let's see. The trick is a skewer and a rack. Dip it, let the extra drip off, then let it set standing up so the bottom stays round. And the big question, what's inside? Thin, crisp shell, chewy oat and date center. Tastes like a shop-bought truffle with nothing but real food in it.